In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a function across the rows of a matrix or down the columns of a matrix. So in this case, I have a matrix set up already that's just the numbers 1 through 20. It's a 4-row, 5-column matrix. And let's suppose I want to apply the median function to every single row here. So I want to find the median of the first row, the median of the second, the median of the third row, and the median of the fourth row. What I can do is use the apply function. And what you do with the apply function is you start out with the matrix you want to apply a function to. So in this case, I've preloaded this guy Matt. Then you have to tell it what margin you want to work across. Do you want to work across the rows, or do you want to work down the columns? So I'm going to put in 1 here. This means I'm going to work across the rows. And then you have to tell it what function you want to have applied to the rows. In this case, I want to apply the median function. Now, if I wanted to, I could make up my own custom function and plug that in here. But for right now, I'm just going to use the median. And then if you want, or if you need to, if this function right here has any extra arguments, you have to put them after the fact, after another comma there. But I'm just going to let the median do its default there. And so if I run this, what I will find is I get 9, 10, 11, and 12. And if I go back and look at my matrix, well, if I'm going across the rows, the median of the first row would be a 9. The median of the second row would be the 10. The median of the third row would be the 11. The median of the fourth row would be 12. Now, these happen to all be consecutive numbers just because, well, that's how I built the matrix to start with. So it's just dumb luck they all end up being consecutive numbers. If I'd done something different, it would have been some other way. Now, if I go back and I change something, let's put a 2 here and rerun this, I get 5 values instead of 4. That's because now it's finding the median as it works up and down a column. Indeed, in that first column, the median would be at 2.5. That'd be halfway between the 1 and the 4 there, and the 2 and the 3 on both sides. And same thing with all the rest of them there. I need something that's halfway in the middle, both sides. And that's going to be these numbers I got here. So that's how you can use that apply function to apply, well, a function across a row or down a column.